I'm going to show you how to prepare, seal and paint this beautiful bespoke standing shelving unit. I started off by sanding all my cut edges, then sanded over the areas that had filler in, covering the screws. I applied a layer of frenchic finishing coat across all the cut edges using my paintbrush. Then I applied it along the sides with the radiator roller to seal the filler. Once this had dried, I give it a gentle sanding down and applied a second coat of sealant across the whole unit. As for the painting, I used Frenchic's chalk paint, applied this on with a radiator roller and then feathered it off with my brush. I applied the paint on all the cut edges with the paintbrush. Once this is dry, I applied a second coat using the same methods, a small radiator roller and Frenchic's paintbrushes. So if you're looking for more 60-second tips, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Mr. and Mrs. DIY.